Hey, it's Lisa here with Ultimate Serenity Massage and Fitness. Today we're going to be going through a beginner Pilates workout. So I'm going to teach you how to lift your head. We're going to go through the beginner basic exercises, and then I'll also show you some modifications if you want to challenge yourself today. So all you need is a mat, and I don't think you need anything else, so let's get started. Lay down on your mat, all the way down with your knees bent and your arms pressing long by your sides. Take a nice deep breath in and exhale. Feel all of your ribs make connection with the mat. One more inhale and one more exhale. Let's start with head nods. Leave your head attached to the mat, nod your chin down, and lift it up as you were looking at the ceiling. Nod your chin down, one more, and lift it up and look at the ceiling. And lift it up. Let's curl the head, neck, and shoulder blades all the way up, lifting your upper body off of the mat. Nod your chin and lift up. Fingertips reach long toward the heels and roll all the way back down. Tuck your chin again. Lift all the way up, head, neck, and shoulders. Hold, lengthen, and lower everything back down. One more. Inhale up. And exhale down. For all of the exercises, this is how you're going to lift your head for the entire time of the class. Let's start with 100. Just like we did, curl your head down, lift your whole body up, eyes to your navel. Inhale as you begin pumping your arms. And exhale. Look deep into your belly. Exhale out all the air. Fingers are long. Deep breaths in. Exhale it out fully. Look at your belly. Inhale one more. And exhale all the air out fully and lower everything down. The roll up, roll over on your knees and roll yourself to a seated position. We're going to modify this for the seated roll back. Grab your hands behind each one of your thighs. Look ahead, tuck your chin and roll back till your arms go straight. Scoop and lift your abs in and up so your ribs are off your hips. Scoop your belly in and roll back. Inhale, sit tall. Roll back. Sit up nice and tall. Exhale as you lift up. Two more. The last one. And sit up nice and tall and roll yourself all the way down to a lying down position for the one leg circle. One leg bent, one leg straight up to the ceiling. Cross your body, hug your knee down around up to your nose and stop. It's like you're making a nice little oval. Soft point on your toe and it's turned out. One more. And reverse. All the while you're trying to keep the standing knee very still, so you don't want it to wobble. One more. And bend that leg down. Extend the other one up. Cross it. Down, round, and up. Keep this one as still as you can. Pressing your arms into the mat. And reverse it. Go at your own pace. If you need to, you can make your range of motion much smaller. And reverse. Last one. And lower that leg down to the mat. And bend it. Sit all the way up for rolling like a ball. We're going to hold and balance this position. Put your hands behind your thighs again. Look deep into your belly. balance on your sitting bones, and we're just going to stay here. And if you want a little bit more of a challenge, tuck your pelvis under a little bit and roll it right back up. Tuck it right back under and roll it right back up. Try to balance with your feet. Use your tailbone. Think about having a bowl and you're just spilling a little bit of milk out of it. One more. And lower your feet down. The single leg stretch. Lower yourself all the way down to the mat. Stretch your arms long. Feet are hip width apart. Curl up, look at your belly really deep. Pull one leg in and catch it. And tap and change. Use your abs to tap and change. Look deep into your belly. You're up on the tips of your shoulder blades. Tap and change. Pull with your abs. Scoop them in and up off of your hips. One more. And lower everything down, legs down, head down. Turn your head from left to right. The double leg stretch. Bring your knees to your chest, hands on your shins or your ankles. Curl up, look deep into your belly. Arms only, reach them behind your head. Circle them around, catch your ankles. And catch, look really deep into your belly. Your head does not move. Let's add the knees. Push out, bring them back in. Push out long, pull in strong. Push them out in Pilates stance, pull them back in. Last one. Whew. And lower down. Turn the head from left to right. Those are kind of hard on the neck. And roll yourself up to a seated position for spine stretch. You can bend your knees down and then come on all the way up. Flex your feet as wide as your mat. So flexing your ankles, toes toward you. Reach out long, shoulders in line with your wrists. You have a nice long lever. Sit up tall as a pencil. Nod your chin to your chest. Exhale, round up and over your beach ball. And roll right back up. Head is the last thing. Tuck your chin, roll up and over your beach ball. Stack your bones, low back, mid back, upper back, finally the head. Exhale up and over. And stack your bones. Think about reaching for something in front of you. Your arms are long. One more. And stack them up. Side kick series. Close your legs, lay on your side and face me. We're going to modify this one. Position yourself to the very back corner of your mat. Your bottom hand is right by your ear. Feet are at the front corner of your mat. Bend your bottom leg. Turn your top leg out so your knee is facing the ceiling. You're going to do kick, kick to the front. And reach back long and longer. Kick, kick, and reach back. All the while you'll notice my hips are stacked like bricks, and my shoulders are too, and they do not move. Don't let your upper body rock forward as you kick back. Keep that long line of energy. One more set. And line up your knees, up and down. Send it up, and pull it all the way down. Send it up and pull it down. We have 3 more. Pull down strong. Last one. And circle. Circle to the front. Keep your knee shined up toward the ceiling. And let's reverse that. About the size of a dinner plate. Short and quick. And lower that all the way down. Let's do the other side. Come on. And change sides. Normally you would just roll over. I'm just doing this so you can see all sides. Alright. Bend that bottom leg, look straight ahead. Position the other arm in front and kick to the front. And reach back long and longer. Keep your hips as still as possible. Reach and kick. Think big kick, little kick. Reach back. Big kick, little kick. Reach back. Big kick. One more set. And line up your knees up and down. Send it up to the ceiling and pull down a mile. Send it up strong and pull it down. Feel your inner thighs work as you press down. One more. And let's make those circles to the front. 5 short and sweet. Let's reverse. Last one. And set it all the way down. Come over all the way onto your all fours, a quadruped. So your shoulders are over your wrist and your hips are over your knees. Pointer dog. Extend your right arm, look straight at the mat, and your left leg. Extend it out strong. Bring it back. Opposite side, push. It's like you're reaching for something in front of you and your back leg is reaching for something behind you. You're creating opposition. It's like pulling apart a rubber band. And let's speed these last few up. Reach and down. Reach and down. One more. And set everything down. Press your butt back toward your heels for rest. Put your hands out in front of you. Keep your belly off your thigh. And rise up to a standing position, because with Pilates, we always end standing. Put your heels together in Pilates stance. Your hands in front. Rise your heels all the way up toward the ceiling and raise your arms. And lower back down. Rise your heels up to the ceiling and lower back down. One more up and lower. Thanks for joining me today. Hopefully you had a great introductory workout. I will be posting some more videos on this series, adding on to those exercises and challenging you a little bit further. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.